Hi, girls! Look who is here in our art class today. It's Barbie, but she needs a spectacular new look for a royal party. Let's design the most elegant dress ever.
Ooh, yeah!
Drawing. First, let's sketch the top part and all these beautiful, fluffy layers. One, two, three, 4 layers. Wow, it looks like a giant rose petal, princess gown. Coloring.
Red!
Now, let's paint it with a beautiful royal red. It's so bright. Navy blue. To make it super stylish, we are adding these elegant navy stripes on every single layer. Look at that gorgeous contrast. Girls, dress up. Let's dress up Barbie. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! She looks like a real fashion queen. Barbie loves her new royal dress. Thank you for watching, girls. Don't go away. Click on the next video to see more beautiful dress-up and princess drawings on our channel. Bye-bye.